in
I
there.
got rain.
She didn't know.
Oh, oh, I got rhythm. Oh, I got rhythm and rain singing in the
Stop, please. It got messed up. I was supposed to come in there. Just stop. Cher.
Fred Astaire.
Cher.
Kelly.
Cher.
One for my mother.
This. Was it?
I'm winded.
This was a duet.
Yeah?
That comes from the Latin word two. Wait a minute. I mean, duet is the Latin word from two.
Right. No, but I know what you mean.
Which means, well, what it really means is we sing together, an arrangement for each other's voice. We sing harmoniously, glissande.
Your lips move when you talk. But you speak with forked tongue.
My lips are... You're starting again. Lips. You know what she's doing with the lips? Lips sensuous. You're starting to get into that, you know. You always have to turn a conversation around to sensuosity, to sex, you know. Why do you always have to... Why do you always have to work a conversation into sex?
Have you ever noticed how a starved person always talks about food?
Being sexy is not that big of a deal.
How would you know?
Yeah, well, you pull a trick or two. You know, if I came out the way you did, if I dressed up in Saran wrap, where would I be? You know where I'd be?
Yeah, with the boys in the band.
That's not funny, Cher. It's not funny. I know you, Cher, and you know what? I know what your problem is. I know you have a problem, and I know what it is. You're jealous, and you know why? You know why you're jealous? I have more talent in my little finger, this one here, than most people have in their entire bodies. It just so happens I'm the talented part of the duo. And so it doesn't get played up, but I have more talent right here than...
Let's hear it for Sonny Bono's little finger. Woo-hoo! Wish your little finger could sing.
All right, that's it. I've had it. I've had it with you. I've had it about up to here with you.
That's easy, you're short.
It's not funny. It isn't. It's not. I just want to say one thing. Cher looks very clever and witty on stage, but that, I mean, any comedy team, somebody's got to take the shots, and somebody throws them. So I look like the Momo on television, but that's a lot of that's planned. It's a different story at home. No, really, seriously. Any comedy team that you have, somebody has to be the dummy, like Edgar Bergen and Charlie McCarthy. If you notice who got the laughs, the dummy got the laughs.
The only difference between them and us is I don't have to move your mouth.
I just want you to know something. There's nothing wrong with me, and don't try to put me down in front of these people. The doctor, I went to the doctor. He said I'm in perfect physical. And there's nothing better than perfect physical. He said I'm in perfect physical health, and I'll probably live to be 100.
That's the second bad news I've heard today.
What's the first?
I'm talking to it.